Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share my first Saturday morning makes with Jill Norwood. Yes, and a little bit of chit chat at the end. A little bit. All right, anyways, so let me show you what I created, or let me tell you how I came about creating this. My daughter called me and asked me if I could make some party invitations for my grandson. And I was just like, I don't know, because I'm really busy with these design teams. And I was like, I don't know. How many do you need? She said 25. I said, no. I said, well, when do you need them by? She says Sunday. I'm like, sissy, really? 2 days? And I originally told her no. And but my grandson's like, Momo, please make my party invitations. And of course, who can say no? So I did go ahead and make them. It took me about 5 hours total, maybe. And the most was because I was cranking out dies. But I had a little system and it went smoothly. So, anyways, let me show you what I used. I used these, oh, goodness gracious. This is my favorite thing, splatter stamp set. And I use these party, except for that one right there that's on top. Let me kind of show you. Except for the bigger one, I didn't use this one, but I did use these. Well, those. And these came on right on time, and I think I purchased these maybe a month and a half, maybe 2 months ago. So that came right on time. I am using this little circle from my favorite things. And then I purchased these a while back, probably one of my first things I purchased off AliExpress. Actually, I don't even think it was from AliExpress. I think it was from eBay. Anyways, I purchased this and then these numbers. So I'm using that balloon and this number 7 because he's turning 7. And then once I was finished with everything, I thought it needed a little bit more of a touch. I pulled out this for streamers. And so let me show you. And when I say I was able to use up a lot of scraps, I told my daughter it's not going to all look the same. I'm going to use up a lot of scraps. And so this is what I came up with. And so they're all different colors. Isn't that just darling? It looks like somebody's having a party. And then I called her last night. I said, why don't you do a print up of 4x4 so that I can put the invitation on the back and you don't have to write them out. So she was able to get that all typed up for me, and I just printed it out and cut it out again. So when I say I was rolling and cranking, I really was rolling and cranking. And so this is what I was able to make. I mean, all kind of colors here. I was able to use up a ton of scraps, and I thought they turned out so cute. Yes. And so anyways, what I was going to talk about, and I've already told one of my design teams, and I got to tell my other, and the other one I just kind of quit. But anyways, yes, I am going to back off on these design teams, taking up too much of my time, and I think I'm losing myself in the process of designing. And then with the things that I purchase, I can't even design with them because I'm too busy designing for design teams. And I apologize for those who followed me just for that reason, but I have to get back to doing me. And so as of right now, I know for sure I'm taking off the summer. Who knows? Winter, maybe. Return, I don't know. And so, yeah, it is what it is, but I'm going to get back to me. All right. And so, of course, I couldn't tell my grandson, no, I had to do something for him. So I set my design team aside for a few hours and did these for him. All right. And so I hope you like what I've created. Thanks so much, Jill, for doing this. And then now that I've decided to relieve myself of some of these design teams, I can start entering challenges, which is what I wanted to do. as well as, like birthday challenges, and send people like the, um, what do they ask for, like memory decks cards and whatnot. I haven't had that much time to do anything else. So, but now I will. So hopefully I will be able to enter some of those. And that is all I have for you. Uh, I hope you didn't mind me loading down my little rant or whatever it was. But anyways, thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.